If your website changes are not showing up on Bluehost, clearing the cache is usually the fastest fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear Bluehost cache step by step so your latest updates can appear properly. This is a quick and easy process, and it can help when you've updated text, images, plugins, or design settings and still see the old version of your site. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools for managing your hosted sites. Click on websites and you'll see the list of websites connected to your account. Next, find the website you want to clear the cache for. On that site, click Manage Site. This will open the control area for that specific website, so make sure you choose the correct one if you manage more than one site. After that, look for the Performance tab. Bluehost places cache and speed-related settings inside this section, so this is where you'll want to go next. Click Performance to open the available optimization tools. Now, scroll or look through the page until you find the caching section. This is the area that controls stored versions of your website pages. Caching helps websites load faster, but sometimes it can also prevent new changes from appearing right away. That's why clearing it is so useful when you're troubleshooting updates. Once you find the caching section, click Clear Cache or Clear All Cache, depending on what Bluehost shows on your account. If you only need to refresh certain stored content, you may see a more specific clear option. If you want to fully reset the cached version, use the Clear All option. If Bluehost asks you to confirm the action, go ahead and approve it. This confirmation step makes sure you really want to remove the stored cache before the system refreshes everything. After that, Bluehost will clear the cached files for your site. Once the process is finished, refresh your website and check your changes again. In many cases, your updated content will now appear correctly. If you still don't see the changes, you may also need to clear your browser cache or refresh the page with a hard reload, depending on your browser. And that's it. You've now learned how to clear Bluehost cache in just a few steps. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference when your site seems stuck showing old content. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.